Hi there, and welcome to 76 Eider Run here at the community of Altair in Irvine. This home checks all the boxes and it is move-in ready. Let's go take a look. Amazing indoor-outdoor space? Check. Great kitchen for entertaining with oversized island and Wolf and other premium appliances? Check. Oversized upstairs laundry room with plenty of cabinets and sink? Check. All right, here we are in the master. This home has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bedrooms. Check. Here we are in the master bath. This home has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bathrooms. Check. Huge master closet. Check. Covered patio, AKA California room, built-in barbecue, fireplace, and super low maintenance yard? Check. I hope you've enjoyed our tour today of 76 Eider Run here in the community of Altair in Irvine. This 5-bedroom, 6-bath home is on over 8,000 square foot lot. It's 5,400 square feet and it's priced under 4.7. For a private tour, contact me, David Feldberg, at 949-439-6288. From myself and Rachel, hope you've enjoyed watching our tour.